YouTube. We spend a lot of time on YouTube on a daily basis, right? Not only we, but most of the people these days, they spend a lot of time on YouTube watching different videos. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how we can use this platform YouTube for earning that extra income or earning that passive income. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button on the right side of the screen. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now in this video we will be learning about YouTube, how we can earn from YouTube. If you have a Gmail account, you will automatically have a YouTube account as well. On YouTube you have to create a channel page. Channel page creation is very easy, it is free. Go to Google, type how to create a channel, click the first link or the second link, you will be taken to a channel creation page. Give a very good name to your channel. I would say very catchy name, very interesting name. You can give your own name also, as how I have done. I have mentioned my name, Sushmita Madhu, there. Create a channel and start uploading videos. What kind of videos you can upload? Anything. If you are a very good, if you like cooking, then you can upload cooking videos. If you like painting, if you like gardening, if you are a musician, if you are a singer, if you are a dancer, any kind of videos you can upload on YouTube. If you are a teacher, you can upload your teachings or your class videos also on YouTube. Now you can upload these videos and your channel is ready. Make sure you complete your details, your about information. If you have a website, if you have a social media accounts, you give all the links in your YouTube account. Now once your YouTube account is complete information, start uploading very good videos, very informational videos. The videos should give real information, very good information to the audiences. Audiences means the people who are watching the videos. Now if your videos are liked, if your videos are watched by lot of people, automatically you will start getting subscribers. Subscribers are the people who want to know more and more from you, good information from you. They are liking your videos, so people will start subscribing to your channel as well. Now in YouTube there are two criterias means two rules, I would say. YouTube, there is a thing in YouTube called YouTube monetization. With this YouTube monetization only, YouTube channel owners will start earning. What is this YouTube monetization? YouTube has set a rule, not one, actually two rules, that if a channel has 1000 subscribers and if a channel has 4000 watch hours, only then monetization is enabled on a YouTube channel. Now let us understand what is 1000 subscribers. When you create a channel, you publish your videos, then automatically people will start subscribing. Maybe first 2 days you may get only 1 or 2 subscribers. Slowly the subscribers number will start increasing. Once you reach 1000 subscribers, you have met your first criteria. The second criteria is 4000 watch hours. The total watch hours of your videos should cross 4000 hours. Only then the second criteria will be met. Now once you have met both these criterias, then YouTube will give monetization, or YouTube will enable monetization to your channel. Now once YouTube monetization is enabled, how will you start earning? Let us understand that also. On YouTube we see a lot of advertisements. On the YouTube first page, the home page also, we see a lot of advertisements. There will be a very big banner advertisement in the top. YouTube home page I am talking about. Now these advertisements are created by some business, some companies. These companies, they pay YouTube for showing their advertisement. YouTube take the money and YouTube put those advertisements on the channels who have met these two criterias. YouTube will place this advertisement maybe in the start of the video or maybe in the middle of the video. In my video also, this video also, you will be seeing one advertisement. Now through these advertisements, YouTube is getting paid from the business. YouTube also pay a very small amount to the channel owners. This is how channel owners, YouTube channel owners, will start earning. Channel owners do not earn on the videos that they are publishing, but they earn on the advertisements that are being posted or added in their videos. How many people are watching those advertisements, how many people are clicking on the advertisement. On that basis we or the channel owners will start earning. That is one thing. Now if you are planning to start your YouTube channel, do not delay, I mean to say, do not wait. You can start your channel from today itself. You can create any kind of video. If you are a fitness freak, if you are a cook, if you are if you like makeup, you can create makeup tutorials on YouTube. If you like rangoli or the muggu kind of rangoli kind of thing, you can create rangoli videos also on YouTube. Create anything, any video and upload that on YouTube. Slowly you will see that your subscriber numbers are increasing, and they do not shy to show your face on YouTube also. So that is one thing. And if you are serious about your YouTube channel, then I will tell you some do's and don'ts also. I will start with do's. YouTube, if you are serious about YouTube channel, then make sure you're uploading or posting these videos on a regular interval. If you want to post this 3 days a day, like 3 days a week, or once in a week, or once in a month, make sure you are consistently following that schedule, and you're consistently uploading or publishing your videos on that particular set date as well. Consistency is the mantra of YouTube earning, I would say. Make sure you are consistently posting your videos. That is the first thing. Second thing is, create very informational videos, videos that should attract lot of people. So that kind of videos is definitely I would recommend. And next thing is, do not shy. If people say that this is not good, that is not good, if you get dislikes on your YouTube videos, if you get trolls, or if you get bad comments on your YouTube videos also, do not stop. Keep on posting videos. YouTube is the only thing that does not need any money, or that doesn't need any investment. There will be lot of people, there are so many people who plan to start their own business. They plan to start some passive income, side income, but they are scared of some investment. They do not want to invest something. YouTube is a thing where your time is your investment. You have to spend your time to create videos and upload videos and stuff like that. But no monetary or no money investment is required for creating a YouTube channel. That is one thing. What are the don'ts? What we should not do is, if you are creating a video, make sure in your video you're not using any copyrights information. Copyrights, I would say, any logo of any brand. You're not taking any copyrighted audio song, or any copyrighted material is not used on your videos. So make sure you're not using any logos or any copyrighted music, any copyrighted material thing, and showing that on your video. Do not do that, because once you use some copyrighted thing, in future, at the time of monetization, your video will not be approved, or maybe your channel will not be approved because of that copyrighted thing. Copyright is, some company is claiming that this song is our property, nobody can use it, or this logo is our property, nobody can use it. These kind of limitations usually businesses or companies will put. So that is called copyright. So we should not use copyrighted things. That is the do's and don'ts about YouTubers. Now I will share my YouTube journey. I started my YouTube 1 year ago. You can see my first video. My first video was about the differences between blog and website. Now how I created this video, I was very serious to start my YouTube journey, YouTube channel. But I was very scared and I was shy to show my face. What I did is, I created a PowerPoint presentation and I converted that into a video format, MP4, and I gave a voiceover. I combined both the things and I uploaded in my YouTube channel. That was my first video. You can go and check that video. You won't be able to see my face there. Everything is like screens and animations and voiceover. That's it. What is the difference between a website and blog was my first video. Now when I created this video, then I thought, no, something is not working out. I'm not getting views. I'm not getting subscribers. People are not liking my work. So I have to change something. Then I started coming in front of the camera and I started experimenting with the background. Coming in front of the camera was also a big thing, because when I took my the second video, people, I mean to say, me and my husband's close network people, like we got many like people, they were not liking me coming in front of the video and taking YouTube videos. People started saying me and my husband that no, ladies or girls should not come in front of video, they should not post videos on YouTube. There are people outside who will misuse the video, they will misuse the photographs, they will misuse her name, they will misuse her photograph and use in some different websites. This kind of stuff we were hearing from lot of our friends and well-wishers. But if you are serious about YouTube, I would say do not listen to all these things. If you're determined, if you're focused, keep on creating videos and keep on posting videos. So that is one hurdle I faced in my very initial days. Then I started coming in front of the camera, and one more thing, till today, from first video, second video till today, all my videos are taken from my mobile phone. I'm using a Samsung phone now, so all my videos are taken with my mobile phone only. And you may have seen all my videos, because I do not get enough time for editing the videos or to making some changes in the videos. All my videos are single shot videos. Single shot videos means all my videos are taken in one go. There is no cut. Only single shot videos, everything, because of the time and all those stuff. That is another thing. And I also experiment with the background. Two of my videos you may have seen, I have taken the video above my office terrace. You can see that is a terrace location. In terrace I used to take my video. I asked my team member Saujanya to hold the camera and shoot me, I mean to say take a video of me. And there were so many things, so many memories, I would say, in those terrace videos. If you hear the video properly, then you will hear bus horns and vegetable vendors and vendors shouting on the roads, and all those stuff also you will be able to hear in that video. So those were my initial days. I would say from those days I have developed only. My videos has developed also. I'm right now using a Boya microphone, so all those stuff, yeah, definitely upgradation. I have upgraded my videos now. So that is about my YouTube journey. Today, yeah, my YouTube videos are being liked by lot of people. Lot of people message me. Lot of people also ask me, madam, you have very good content, very good informational videos, but why your number of subscriber is very less? For all those people, I'll tell you, I'm not consistently posting videos. If I'm consistently posting videos, I would have reached a different level. My subscriber numbers would have been a different number. So because of my mistake, I'm not getting good number of subscribers. So that is one thing. So if you are planning to start your YouTube channel, start it today itself. Take anything, a 1 minute 30 seconds video also, but post it and upload it in your YouTube channel. So that is about YouTube and YouTube advertisements and YouTube monetization, and also my YouTube journey. So that's all about me, Sushmita. If you like this video, click the like button. You can also share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook account, or in any other social media. You can share this video with all your friends and family members. This is me, Sushmita. Thank you very much for watching my channel, Sushmita Madhu, and namaste.